What's up, everybody? This is Wilson. It's 7 steps in order to get to your tire to do your tire change. And I already did a tire change on it. We put the Shinko 244 on there, and we're going to show you all the footage of me putting it back together. But from your viewpoint, it's going to look like it's me taking apart the wheel. Okay, step 1 is the handlebars. Unscrew these, unscrew these, unscrew this one on the side, unscrew that one on the side, and loosen this one up. This is H5 here. So 4, 4, 4, 4, 5.
All of our work is going to be on the left side of the wheel.
Alright, so we're on step 2. 2 in the front.
Remove all the screws that are on the top panel.
And then there's 2 screws here you just place right in these little alcoves. 2 next to each suspension cover.
Unplug all battery terminals.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Step 3. Remove the left side trolley handle screw.
Okay, next up are the tail lights.
Step 5. Remove the kickstand rod. Step 6. Left side battery removal. Step 7. Suspension pieces removal. Now you're free to take off the tire. Have fun and good luck, and please take your time. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody in the comments and the live streams. Much appreciated. You guys helped a whole lot with the assembly and the disassembly of the wheel.